Oh, I come call Tiero, former Kotoko player, former Kotoko winger, Akasa. Now it is about Black Stars defeat also. Oh, Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Ghana Lucy for the first time in 24 years. Oh, Baba Yara. Now Williams Tiero, no, or can the players ensure say Black Stars in Lusu or Baba Yara? Mekai Ghana. Williams Tiero around 2006. Williams Tiero Baba Mando mo Kotoko. Why there? Now Williams Tiero it make so much sense after a game no. Now onemia menuanom Ghana Sports page and a twetwe nkomo immediately after the game no mudi ni gina cool corner and a oche mu say it is not about the pitch. This is more kind of have my put on now. It is not a matter of the pitch because both teams play on the same surface. Or say any pitch same because teams be a ball pitch. So we acknowledge from the start that the pitch was bad and players had difficulty controlling the ball. But attributing the defeat to that is not fair because we are playing at home. Or see any here at the boy. It won't be found pitch no so. Because Ghana crowd now will say Buffy into wooden pitch no crouching will be and only in summer Williams Tiero a day to your okoso as a chirimu say at the 90th minute we should have applied more pressure, but it was clear our energy was down. We struggled to regain passion and wasted time pressing after losing the ball. Or say around the 90th minute no. Then was a Ghana ma pressure more, but na your energy no form. Fe na Ghana fe struggle say obe regain possession na ultimate empress cry after losing the ball. I think the coaches need to work on the players' stamina to ensure that they can maintain intensity for 90 minutes. Also players no ya we all who juma by the coaches so that we maintaining intensity for 90 minutes. Our changes were also delayed. Also, changes need delay. Inaki Williams, 86 minutes was saying now the neighbor. The 43-year-old added, Ghana will now focus on their next group, which is against Morocco. Morocco against Venezuela. If on Niger Monday na sa game no ebebaso. Inti na yenshanen so na Williams Tiero is okay. 100% through Ghana. Me ade ba kwa me hwe we game nim say I say akoma pane energy eno Ghana ni Angola nka ye kase be wini anke be wini from the onset say ye di ahoden energy bobo na but